the Goochland Library of the Pamunkey Regional Library System. Today I want to talk to you about an upcoming take and make that we have. And as you know, our summer reading program is about oceans of possibilities. So in July, it's going to be on July 18th, we have these little boats. It's a little foam ship that you can make and take home. And they come in these little kits, and it's very simple. There's instructions are included. So you take one of these kits home, and you can make your own little ship to have. So join us at the library July 18th. See you soon. Bye.